This angle looks crazy because his head is way bigger than his body right now. But that's okay. I want his shoulders like up by his ears. So he definitely looks huge right now. That's all right. I think what I'm gonna do is make her bigger in digital so that this makes sense. Why does every piece keep breaking, man? Really? Give him a little sweat droplet. Yeah, he is stressed out. That's exactly how I wanted to depict him. And she's just kind of like, dude, I don't know what you're talking about. Next panel. Look at that reference. I gotta draw him giving her a hug and her just being like thrown off by it. Damn, I blended it. Or merged it, I mean. This will be fun, I think. I want to draw him like blasting off. Maybe I'll start the structure of that. Oh, didn't realize this was in the way. Again, let's zoom in on the art. Yeah. Coming up on an hour. Which you know I like to keep it at an hour. So let's see how far we get with this. Crazy angle I decided to do. Nope, that's wrong. Oh damn, I messed this up. Might have to go back to red pencil.